Okay, so these are face pulls, okay? What you want to do whenever you're doing a face pull is you get the rope attachment like this here, okay? You're going to set it up on a cable machine. And what you want to do is you want to set it up at the height that it would be whenever you're kneeling down, that it's roughly the height of your face, okay? There's different variations of these movements. There's a lot of variations of face pulls, but I'm going to give you the simplest one, okay? The one that I prefer, actually slightly below the line of the face, about the height of the chin, okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to set it up at the height of your head. You're going to lean slightly back. You've got one foot in front of you. The reason for that is you're pushing this foot in front of you into the ground. And all that I'm doing here is I'm going to hold the ends of the rope like this. I pull the rope back until this steel part like nearly touches my forehead or does touch my forehead. And I'm finishing in a position here like I'm flexing my biceps. I'm releasing the weight nice and slow, just to about here. I maintain the tension so I don't let it relax. I still hold it here. I bring it back and I squeeze, okay? Down nice and slow, and then I squeeze like that, okay? One thing you'll notice on these is that the elbows aren't too high. What people do is they think they're pulling it like this, the elbows up very high, okay? Your elbow stays roughly in line with the shoulder as I pull it back. So if you imagine the rope is in my hand here, I pull it back, the elbow stays roughly in line with the shoulder or even slightly below, but the hands come up. So it's nearly like two movements. It's nearly like the first part pulls the rope to here, the second part rotates the weight up like that, okay? So the elbows don't move in that second part, you'll notice. What actually happens instead is I just do this twisting motion. It's called external rotation. So I'm holding this, I retract my shoulder blades, I pull the rope towards myself, and then I come up like I'm flexing my arms like that. But what I don't do is I don't let the elbows follow. I don't get to here and then go like this, where the elbows come up nice and high. That's bad for the shoulders, okay? So I want it to be like this. And I squeeze and hold for a wee moment. Nice and slow, back, squeeze and hold for a little moment, nice and slow. It also helps if you sort of pull the ends of the rope apart from each other whenever you're at the top there, okay? Quite a lightweight exercise, not something you're going to go super heavy on. Will take a bit of time to get used to because it is quite complicated, but over time you get better. That's a face pull.